Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just went to pick up my mail. This actually came yesterday, but I just went to pick it up now. I received my November Boxycharm, so we'll be doing the unboxing of this guy. So I just got back from a little shopping trip, which is 2 shopping trips, so these are 2 other videos. I filmed 2 videos today as well. So I'm gonna go inside and show you what I received this month. So now that we're inside, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Boxycharm. There we go. Little box here, some items. So for this month, let's see, we have Gold Digger, and then here we have all the little items. And just before opening this, I was checking my email and I saw an email from Boxycharm, and it had told me that they had made a mistake with the preview items I was receiving in the box. So seeing here now, I see I am receiving one of the items is different from the one I saw I was getting in the email. The email mentioned I was getting the makeup brush spray cleaner, but here apparently I got the glitter eyeliner. When I saw that email, I was really hoping I was gonna get the tweezers, but apparently not. So I guess we can start off with that item first. I got the Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and this retails for $5. So we have here the little eyeliner. So I'm guessing this is the color it's in, golden color, would it be? So let's see if I can open this one up and see if that is actually the color. So it's a black eyeliner with some glitter in it. See little flecks of shimmer. Let's see. Yeah, I can see it coming out. So it would be a glittery black eyeliner. I know I saw a lot of people were not happy with this one. They didn't like it. But I'm into fun looks. I'm into trying new things, so I'm okay with it. So then the next item I will do, this is from Luxie. This is the Luminous Eye Set, and this retails for $21. And you get here 4 brushes. Come in this cute little bag. Let's see. Always trouble. There we go. So we get these 4 brushes. So we get here, this one is the 121 mini tapered, so it would be this one. So it'd be like a blending brush. Really pretty gold handle. And then you get here another one, and this is the 131 mini angled. Look at this. Which I don't think I do have a brush like this. So that's the first one for me. And here we have this other one. This is the 111 mini flat angled. Another one. I don't have a brush like this. It's more angled on one side. And then the last one, this is the 141 mini round. Another one. I don't have any like this. Little mini. I think maybe with this one I could maybe smoke out the lower lash line, which I wanted a brush like this, and now I have it. And these were really pretty handles. So we have those guys. And then, so we have here the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova, and this retails for $44. And I don't think I've ever, I don't know if I've used something like this before. It's so glittery. So we have it there. Very pretty, glittery. Some here. It's actually really pretty. Let's see, you can see it here. And that's with one tiny drop, and it actually just keeps spreading. So it's a little bit glittery, shimmery, so which should be good for the upcoming holidays. Do some pretty glittery, shimmery looks. Should be really nice. And I actually think I've never tried anything from this brand before, so this will be my first product. And I'm sorry for the glare. Very sunny, very sunny. So then the next item we have in here, this is from Lashaholic. These are Lashaholic lashes, Instaglam false eyelashes, and these retail for $14.99. See, these are 100% vegan falsies, made from premium silk fibers. So another pair of lashes. It's a really cute little box. It says ready, set, get addicted. Lashes. So I would need to dip my hand into trying again lashes. I have so many, but I think I've only worn them once. And I see here everything is pretty much gold, so everything was gold this month. But these look nice. So the last item would be the palettes. By this glare, the sun. This is from Ace Beauty. This is the Grandiose palette, and this retails for $24.99. And this features 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. So we have it there in a little sleeve. And the shades fall out from the trip, and there you have the shades. Very pretty fall shades. So I had seen this one and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this one since I have a lot of palettes, but looking at it now, I like it. I really do like it. So I'll see if I do a couple swatches right now. So here you have the swatches of these shades, the 4 on the top and the 4 on the bottom. Swatch them the same way they are placed in the palette. So you have it there for reference, swatched in the same order they are in the palette, and those are the shades. I did have to build up some of the mattes a little bit, but overall I think they should be easy to work with. I usually don't have a problem with eyeshadows. Sometimes they're a little bit harder to work with, but building them up should be okay. So here I tried out some of the Cover FX glitter drops. Put them on my cheeks, the nose, the forehead. Just trying it out. And then I also added some of the Jaunt Blue glitter eyeliner. And it's okay. So I think I'll be keeping those guys out. I don't think I see a lot of the glitter in the eyeliner. So I do kind of like the Cover FX glitter drops. I think they should work out nice. So the variant that I got for the box was a number 3. And that was everything that I got in my Boxycharm. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, please give it a thumbs up if you did. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one.